besties. I just finished 11/22/63. My goal was to finish it on 11/22, which is today, so I did achieve that goal. And besties, this was so good. In my opinion, this is one of Stephen King's best works. I gave it 4 stars. I really, really enjoyed it. I was intrigued. I, oh my good God. Like, I have no words on just how good this story was. I loved the fantasy realism. I loved the whole time traveling aspect. There was even some parts of like a really cute love story. And besties, I did not expect that from a Stephen King novel. This was so good. If you guys haven't picked it up, you guys definitely need to go check it out. And I highly recommend either doing the immersive read, which I did, or listening to it on audio, because the audio was fantastic. The narrator had me hooked. It was so good. I really enjoyed it. And I did, like I said, I did the immersive read, and I think that was perfect. It was just what I needed, and obsessed. Obsessed. This is probably one of my top tier books of the year.